Hello and welcome to an SLK Mercedes. So this is a WDB170 model, so like a 99, 2000, 2001, so on. Fault with this one, we've got the ABS ESP light coming on, and just to show you where so it's come up with a fault for a yaw sensor, which is this little thing here. I've just replaced it. Here's your part number for it. So you can just pause the video there and just take a note of the part number there. So it looks like this. Little 3-pin connector in there, and so on. And that lives just underneath the center console, right here. So underneath the gear selector, shifter selector, just there. And to get to that, quite straightforward. There's two 10mm bolts in there. You can see them in that hole there. You just lift up the little cover there. You don't have to remove this lid, but I did just to get some more access. And before that, take off this little trim panel here and the surround for the gear shifter. Literally just put a plastic lever bar in there, plastic trim tool, lift that up, and then get the two bolts off at the back, the two 10mm bolts, and you just lift it out of the way. And that should be that. So that's your position for the yaw sensor. That should cure the fault for this SLK. Thank you for watching the video, and like and subscribe.